when competition is high, when excellence alone matters, when caliber determines success. IPA empowers your child. Choose the advantage. Choose IPA, fine-tuning tender minds since 2003. Human brain is the most vibrant organ in the body. Science suggests that brain has unlimited capacity. It is often said that man uses only 10% of brain's capacity. Every child can be a genius by optimum application of brain. We often apply only the left brain while the right brain is unutilized. Children experience cerebral development from year 4. Science proves that children between 4 to 12 years can be trained to apply both the brains. Such ability transforms children into exceptional masterminds and intellects. IPA has developed application-based scientific methods to fine-tune minds. IPA offers holistic development to students at a very young age, improving concentration and memory power, improving mental calculation, impressive presentation, English communication skills, learning right pronunciation, colorful and creative, memorizing techniques, building concepts. IPA Memory Techniques India Private Limited was set up in 2003 by women entrepreneurs with the aim of ensuring all-round development of the brain of children in the age group of 4 to 8 years. The ISO 9001-2000 certified IPA is affiliated to Play Abacus Malaysia and Guangxi Abacus Association China. It is the only company to have received the Premier Achievement Training Certificate from China, with just one center in Chennai in 2003. Today, we have grown to over 500 centers spread across India. There are more centers being launched.
Play Abacus India Private Limited, IPA for short, was set up in 2003 by women entrepreneurs. We started with just one center in 2003 and now we've grown to over 600 centers in different states across the country. We started with the Abacus program. We are affiliated to Play Abacus in Malaysia. Stephen Tan is our trainer and he has over 20 years of experience in the abacus industry.
IPA started with a course in mental arithmetic using a Chinese tool called the abacus. The children are first taught simple addition and subtraction using the abacus.
What is the formula? Add and 2 is equal to less 8 add 10. So we are going to less 8 and add 10. So which finger you will use? Less 8 add 10. You have to do simultaneously like this, using both hands simultaneously so that we will have proper coordination between two hands.
They then learn multiplication, division and decimals. On completion of the course, the children can handle any basic arithmetic operation very easily and swiftly.
64, 70, 33, 17, 89, 92, 20, 45, 61, 58. That is.
Hello, my name is Shobit.
My name is Shreya.
My name is Aditya.
My name is Samita. My name is Rohan.
My name is Shobna. I have been coming to abacus class for almost 6 years.
I learn abacus for the past 2 years.
The teachers teach you extremely good.
It improves my memory, concentration, speed and hearing skills.
In school, I find all my teachers praising me for my ability in mathematics.
My studies has gone well just because I studied abacus.
We have competitions in our abacus course.
I got first prize in national level competition. I won prizes in state level and national.
I have won many laurels. I find this place interesting, fun, and above all very helpful to me.
My performance in school has improved and I am proud to be a student of IPA.
I feel this is a place I will be attached
course also improves speed, accuracy, power of concentration, retention and self-confidence. There is a noticeable improvement in overall academic performance. IPA conducts national competitions where students from all over India participate. In addition, international grading examinations are conducted. Successful candidates are awarded certificates by the Guangzhou Abacus Association of China.
With the success of our Abacus centers in different parts of the country, we have now introduced various other products which enhance the brain development skills of the children. So after Abacus, we also have Vedic mathematics, we have arts program for students, we have handwriting, memory program, English, we have 2 programs in English. So all these programs, some of them are affiliated to either Malaysia or UK, depending on the product. Vedic Maths, of course, is an Indian program. And we develop the product in association with our collaborators, and then we give the training through various centers across the country. So today in the Abacus alone, we have about more than 1,000 teachers and about 60,000 registered students. And most of this has happened by word of mouth. So one satisfied parent recommending our program to the other, or a franchisee recommending this concept as a good business model to other franchisees. So we're very happy to state that IPA has grown this way, and most of the people associated with us are women, whether they are teachers or our franchisees or our staff. We mostly deal with women. And encouraged by the success, we've also now opened our centers in international places. Like, we have our center in USA, we have IPA centers in Botswana, in the Middle East, and we're also launching shortly in England and other places.
IPA has now expanded and brought in a new concept for older children, speed arithmetic. This is based on the ancient and proven high-speed mathematical system, Vedic mathematics.
I am Rashmi Surana. This is my son Kirti and his Dev Karthi. They both are studying in Play Abacus for 1 year, and I feel very happy about it that they are doing this course. I think as an advocate, even I don't know how to calculate so soon, but now I think they are able to do much better than what I am doing in the present generation now. So I am very happy for what they are doing, and I think they will have a very bright future. Their memory skills have actually improved a lot, and they are able to do it very quickly. Within a fraction of a second, they are able to calculate the multiplication, division, everything. So thanks to Abacus.
IPA also conducts special courses in high-speed math for engineering students, handwriting practice for children 4 years old and above, Learning Box UK English and Bright English programs are for children aged 3 years and above.
I am Charulata. My son's name is Rakshan. He is studying 3rd standard, but little bit weak in phonics and all. So I have joined the Learning Box in IPA. So it just improved a lot. So as a mother, I am very happy to join this in this class.
The Creative World of Colors is a professional arts program designed by Creative World of Colors, Malaysia. The course is designed to teach students the basic skills in this field and stimulate their creativity and imagination.
Hello, I am Dr. Kavita Nair. My son Pranav had joined the World of Colors 2 months back. And in these 2 months I can see a real difference that's been coming up in him. He had been drawing previously for past 2 years, but now it's been a kind of more liveliness has come into his drawings. Now, before I get into all this, I would like to express kudos to Ms. Sharada and Chitra for coming up with this initiative of IPA, especially the World of Color, because I think the World of Colors is creating a kind of sensitizing the right brain of children, which is required now for the emotional intelligence. We are all only looking up at the intelligence quotient in children with their academics, but this brightening up their lives with these colors is going to really take them high in the coming centuries with their emotional quotient getting a thrust, which is going to give the cutting edge, which is the mission of IPA. I would request parents to just devote this 2 to 3 hours for their kids, especially in weekly ones. It is going to give them a real class and that extra mileage that we are all wanting to develop in our kids. My real thanks to the whole team of IPA, especially Ms. Sangeeta, who's been real chirpy and very interactive in the class, which is why my son wants to never miss this class. Thank you all. I think this will really go up great, and it should go. I think my all support, parents all support will be there for this initiative to take a real long stretches of success. Thank you. All the best, IPA.
Are trained not only in their subject matter, but also in teaching children of all age groups.
The child is writing with a pen. Make them write the circle with a pencil. Let them finish it, and then after that they can erase all the circles, and then you can look at the sentence.
When you teach the children, you make them to put this one in all the white dots.
In Ideal Play Abacus, in our company, we have around 1,200 teachers trained on Abacus. We have training centers all over India. To mention a few, in Chennai, Bombay, Delhi, Gurgaon, Jaipur, Rajasthan, Kerala, all these areas. And we have around 15 moderators who have been training these teachers all over India. As far as a product on handwriting is concerned, we have around 250 teachers who are being trained on this program, and we have centers all over India for our handwriting, our Vedic mathematics, wherein we have around 250 teachers trained on this program also. To mention a few, we have just started with other programs like Learning Box and Bright English, which is for the age group between 7 to 14 years. So this program, we have been training teachers all over India, where we have teachers in Chennai and Maharashtra and in South in Bangalore, where we have started the classes for these teachers also.
It is not only in the IPA centers that you will find their programs, but in many schools too, who have implemented them. IPA Memory Techniques India, helping children realize their full potential.